Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to study abroad with education first step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for education first in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, look for the login button. This button is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your email and password, double-check for accuracy. When you are ready, click the Login button at the bottom of the page. If your login details are correct, you will be redirected to your dashboard. In case of an error, review your information and try again. After logging in, explore the available resources and options. You are now ready to begin your study abroad journey with Education First. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.